Hi, this is former Navy SEAL Cade Courtley with your 4Patriots Survival Minutes. Let's talk about water and water hazards. Right now I've come across a fairly significant sized lake. It's frozen over, but where there might be 10 inches of ice against the shoreline, it might drop down to 2 inches of ice the further out you get. It pretty much gives you a huge risk. It is not easy to get out of one of these things when you fall in. Number two, if you manage to get out, you're going to be dealing with potential hypothermic situation. So be smart, take the extra time, go the extra distance, and avoid this thing. That's your latest 4Patriots Survival Minute. Now be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see my latest survival minutes every time they're ready. And please like this video and share these tips with people you care about so you can be a survivor, not a statistic. Cade out.